something so special about this beautiful, V6 engine, which Honda unfortunately don't make them anymore. So you know what? I'm going to be keeping this car until the end of time, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this car is going to, these cars, because you guys know I have the 8th gen, which is right here, and I also have the 9th gen. What is going on, everybody? Another beautiful day. I'm at the mechanic, and actually today is the official day that I came to get my car. So my car is actually here. It's around the corner right there. Well, my buddy's right here with his old school, back in the day, the Acura EL. And man, when this car come out, you guys, everybody wanted one. And still an amazing car. He's done an engine swap on there, and I forgot what kind of engine it was. I'm not sure if it was the B series. I believe it was the B series that my mechanic had in his Type R, I believe it was. So I'm gonna kind of go over it right now and do a quick little video. Hopefully he's okay with it. Well, we'll find out. What's happening, man? What you doing, bruh?
Just fixing the
Oh, you fixing that coolant hose?
Yes, sir.
So I got a question for you. What kind of engine is this again?
B16B Civic Type R 996.
And what year is the car?
It's an Acura EL 1999.
1999. Oh, dude, an Acura EL from 1999. This was the car, and man, with the beautiful engine swap. Let me ask my friend, my buddy. Actually, I'm going to show you. He's the one that got me the rotors on my car. I'll show you real quick. What kind of horsepower? What kind of horsepower is pushing?
I got it chip and tune, Neutronics Andy.
You mind being on? You okay with being on camera?
Yeah.
Huh?
170 or 165.
165?
Yeah. Chip and tune, Neutronics, and then just 5-wheel pack 205 for a 1.6 liter.
For 1.6 liter. That is awesome.
Mid-90s racing engine. It's still around. Red lines to 95, cuts off 96, 97.
That is amazing.
Where can you find that kind of mode?
And you think back then this was fast?
Now it's okay. With the
Now,
4 doors, a little bit heavy, but still, you just get a red line 95, find an engine that red lines 95, and spend less. See how you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the interior part of it. As you can see, his steering wheel is sitting on the dash there. Oh man, bro, check that out. Check out this shift knob. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is amazing. Let me pull it. Oh my goodness, this thing is so heavy. Yeah. I can do curls with this thing. This is one of those Momo steering wheels. I didn't know this thing was so heavy. Look at that. Bro, no lie. Not kidding you guys. I can do a curl with this thing. Look at that. Oh man. This thing is so heavy. Anyways, put that away. Actually, let's put it back. Really, it's kind of what you do. Touch a man's car. You gotta, first of all, you don't touch a man's car. But check out this lip. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out this spoiler. You think I should get one of those for my car? Yeah, but this guy is a really cool guy. Chris, his name is Chris. So yeah, let's go over here. And you got the keys? I do? Oh shit, the car's still running. So let's go over here and check out my Accord. It's right here. And it's so quiet. This car right now is so mechanically sound. It is amazing. Look how bright the red looks right now. Huh? But you know what? Look at the phone. Like, look at it on the phone. It doesn't look like that. It's so bright.
I think it does. It's just that the phone brings it, right?
You actually believe that the color that you're looking on the phone right now is the exact color of the car? I think it's different.
Like if it was bright out, maybe a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so this car right now is I am. Oh man, I'm so excited for the mods that is gonna get done to this car. So yeah, so let me go ahead and tell you. I was talking to Chris, which is over there with his Acura EL, and these rudders. He has a company, and he make these guys. So you can see the rudders right there. He made those. Let's see the back one. The back one's a little bit better. Yeah, they're not even like as clean. They're still black because they painted black. So you still got to drive for a little bit to get them all cleaned up. But I wish you guys could see them a little bit more clearer. But yeah, so those rudders, he make those, and not that expensive at all. Yeah, so man, so the next thing to do right now with this car is to get into the body shop and figure out what color I'm gonna change it to, which I already know, but you guys don't know that yet. So oh my goodness, I am so excited for this car. Hey bro, I'm trying to make a Nah, I'm just joking. You're good. You're good. Make as much noise as you want. Make as much noise as you want. It's all good. Not that important. I'm just a little YouTube vlogger vlogging my Honda Accord. It's all good. Anyways, I'm just joking, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna say that to somebody. Don't know the guy, and this is our working area, anyways. There's a lot of body shops and mechanics around here, but he's actually waving to me right now, so they know what's happening, which is kind of cool. I wish more people could be like that. Why can't we all be like that? Why can't we all live more peaceful and loving and more unite together? And just we have so much in common. Everybody wants to live and everybody wants to be happy. Everybody wants to go to work and take care of their family. We don't need all the violence and the anger. We don't need all the stuff. We just want to just go and get a Honda. Get a Honda and make a lot of friends, and you'll be good to go. I'm telling you guys, if you guys get one of these Honda Accords, you'll be making a lot of friends because everybody loves these cars. Away from me, that is, and away from my wife. Yeah, see, she knows how much I love these cars. Anyways, guys, so yeah, oh man, so yeah. So anyway, so let me get to the main reason why I'm actually making this video right now, and I'm gonna talk about the cost of what it cost me to actually always here I'm going to my pocket and trying to pull something out that I don't have. So you want to go ahead and tell me? We're going to talk about exactly what was done to the car, and I'm going to let my wife do all of that stuff. So tell me what we've done to the car, honey.
Okay, so the timing belt kit, which includes the water pump, the tensioner, the pulleys, and the belt. Changed out all of the spark plugs, then the left and right rear calipers, the front and rear sway bars, the front and rear brakes, rotors and pads, then also the drive belt, and then he did an oil change, changed the transmission fluid, and also repaired the exhaust.
And how much did that cost in total?
$2,300 Canadian.
Yeah, $2,350 to be exact, you guys, and that's how much it cost me to get this car running in tip-top shape mechanically. Now, I want to say I'm so happy right now that so far there's nothing mechanically wrong with the car. All the stuff that was changed on the car was, I mean, of course, a lot of it was important, but usually when I buy a brand new car, brand new used car, that is, one of the first things that I do is I always make sure that, like, my basic maintenance, so I can get that up to date, so going forward I can start, keeping a log of what's been done to the car and have a better maintenance history on the car. And that's one of the reasons why I always do these things. And so just me doing that alone, guys, cost me $2,350. Nothing mechanically is wrong with the car. The car is solid. So yeah, so anyway, so we're gonna wrap this video up right now because we gotta go home. It's getting a little bit dark right now, and my arms are getting tired. Oh, my arms are getting tired.
Why don't you bring your little...
My tripod.
Yeah.
It's more fun doing this.
You're gonna have to finish tomorrow.
Yeah, no, we're gonna finish today. Anyway, so the car right now is done, and so we actually we're gonna take the car home today. So today is the official day where we get to take the car home because we actually finished paying off everything today. Yeah. So now we get to take the car home, right?
Right.
Actually, no, I was just joking. We could have taken it home last week because everything was paid off. But we didn't have a parking spot for the car. So we let the mechanic, hold on to it for an extra week. And today we decided that today is a great day to pick the car up. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Yeah, let me kind of do a quick little walk around on the car again. Hon, do you mind pulling it out? So my beautiful bride is gonna pull the car out. It's been running. Tire pressure sensor is still on, and my amazing mechanic, as you can see, there's no gas in there. So first we're gonna have to stop and get some gas because he decided to drive my gas out. And you think he would have common courtesy to put some gas back in there, but he didn't. Anyways, I'm just talking about it by myself to myself with my wife, but it's all good, Yeah, I'm just joking. That's all joke, guys. Emergency brake is on. I love this car. This car is amazing. Thank you. Say, can you turn the fog lights on for me, babe? Ah, nice. So everything on the car works, you guys, and man, it's got the nice, bright, beautiful yellow, really yellow headlights. So those are gonna get changed to some LED, of course, but that's, like I said, future mods. Can you pop the hood for me real quick? See, even in the interior lights work. Look at that. I don't even have to change bulbs. See? I get to save money on interior bulbs for now. So everything works, you guys. Like, when I said everything on the car works, everything is original. Everything's original. And yeah, so let's look at the engine before I close this video. So look at the engine real quick. Beautiful engine, like, oh man. Gotta get a new battery, which I did mention in my last video, but man, something so special about this beautiful V6 engine, which Honda unfortunately don't make them anymore. So you know what, I'm gonna be keeping this car until the end of time, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this car is gonna, these cars, because you guys know I have the 8th gen, which is right here, and I also have the 9th gen, and so like I said in my last video, got the best of both worlds. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Oh yeah, and one more thing I want to say, because I know I have somebody that mentioned in one of the comments. I know somebody did a comment in one of my last videos that I uploaded, and they're saying that a lot of guys that watches the video on my channel, they have automatic cars, and I always talk about the manual. Well, let me clear this up, okay? A lot of you guys need to understand that it doesn't matter if you have this in the automatic or you have it in the manual, you have an amazing car. You have an amazing car. It just happened to be that I just like the manual, okay? I like the manual, so I always stick to the manual because it's fun for me. It's more fun for me. But if you have this beautiful car in the automatic, you still have an amazing car. So it's okay. Enjoy your car. My buddy's laughing at me. It's okay, you guys, just enjoy your car, and you have a Honda, you have something that is rare. You have a beautiful car, you know what I mean? It's solid, it's sound, mechanical wise, Honda is the way to go. What do you say? You agree?
Robbie is a shifter for life. He's got a
Shifter
until he retires when he's 80 or 90 years old. So
and even beyond. I actually
beyond, exactly.
I literally just said that over there.
130 years old, we would still be shifting.
Exactly. So see, exactly what I just said, he just confirmed it, because you know. When you know, you know, okay? Stick shift for life, man.
Exactly.
Stick shift for life. And this guy, I mean, he's got, how much cars you got? This guy's got, and all his cars are manual?
Yes, sir.
And all his cars are manual. He's got quite a few cars, and all his cars are manual. He was just telling me that his dad, which is what,
74 years old,
still drive a stick shift. So it's just that love thing, man. You cannot help it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live.
Yeah.
Peace.
Amen.